Welcome to the future of technology, where the digital world meets the physical one in an unprecedented way. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of AI-enhanced digital twins, a cutting-edge advancement that is revolutionizing how we approach software engineering and real-world systems. Imagine a virtual replica that mirrors the behavior and characteristics of a real-world system. This is what digital twins are all about. But with the power of artificial intelligence, these digital counterparts are not just passive replicas. They are dynamic, intelligent systems capable of learning and predicting outcomes. At the core of AI-enhanced digital twins is predictive maintenance, a game changer for industries reliant on physical assets. Traditionally, maintenance was reactive, responding to failures as they occurred. But with AI, digital twins can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, predict potential failures before they happen, and suggest timely interventions. This shift from reactive to predictive maintenance not only saves costs, but also extends the lifespan of critical assets. Moreover, these digital twins are fostering innovation by providing a risk-free environment for experimentation. Engineers and researchers can simulate scenarios, test new ideas, and optimize processes without disrupting real-world operations. This virtual playground accelerates development cycles and encourages creative solutions to complex problems. One of the most exciting applications is in smart cities, where digital twins model everything from traffic flows to energy consumption. By leveraging AI, these models offer insights that lead to more efficient urban planning and resource management. Now, you might wonder, how do AI and digital twins work together? AI algorithms process the data collected from sensors on physical systems, learning from patterns and behaviors. This intelligence is then fed back into the digital twin, making it a self-improving entity that evolves alongside its physical counterpart. In conclusion, AI-enhanced digital twins are bridging the gap between the virtual and the real, leading to unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. They are not just a trend, but a transformative force that is reshaping how we interact with the world around us. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest in tech innovations. Share your thoughts in the comments below and let us know what you think about the future of digital twins. Thank you for watching.